Simon is a builder. He builds custom homes like that. What do you think about this house?
Well, the location they chose for the house, I think it's amazing. The view, I think is one of the key points for any property like this.
Yeah.
I love the modern design. They did a beautiful work with the infinity pool. It's a beautiful project. I love the bifold opening doors.
Yeah.
Feeling of an open space inside the house, like you're outside.
We have
Perfect.
a couple of off-markets, like that's actually what we try to target, is like any fixers in off-market. So we have a few right now. I have one in Sherman Oaks.
Where?
She's trying to get rid of.
Listen, 7,000 square feet, so you can build like 3,000 square
Yeah.
feet.
And
3,000 square feet is going to cost me like $700,000. 7 months, 8 months. And it's not guaranteed because Burbank is not that the best of an area.
But they have
It's like Van Nuys, it's not Sherman Oaks really.
You know
If you have
what
quick fixers,
Yeah.
I would love to buy them. Cash buyer.
Yeah, this
Boom.
one-
George! What's up, man? How are you? We're talking about you, and I'm like, who the hell is George? Who the hell are you talking about?
Hey,
He's so crazy. You know, I saw a picture of you on Facebook with Guy, and I'm like, Guy, how do you know this guy? He's like, oh, I know him. What, are you crazy from the agency? Yeah. I'm like, you know, he was working out in the gym with me.
I did my own project in Sherman Oaks 2 years ago.
That's when you talked to me about finance or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
did
but
it,
you
it was
don't
too
do
much
it.
work. I stopped. I just find deals for the builders and
You have a deal for me?
not yet. Not
Think
yet.
of me.
I will.
You promise.
1,000%.
Good to see you, brother.
How's it with you in the Lions group?
The Lions Group is amazing.
Yeah.
In the Lions Group, we're mentoring people. We're teaching people how to do real estate in the right way and how to get here, to sell houses like this one.
Absolutely.
And to buy a house like this.
That's the end result. What else is it?
I feel like I regret that I sold it because I could build units there because the guy is going to make $1 million. I didn't know. I learned something. I told him, listen, squatters, you know this now, I'm going to get to 1 year problem with them, attorneys, this is like $50,000. He's like, okay, lower it a little bit more and take it. I'm like, okay, you know what, 180, I'll close it tomorrow. 180, we close it.
That's crazy.
Man, you got to find problems. You make $1 million from solving 1 million problems. Boom. Look, I mentor other people, but now this guy mentored me. What he did, he made me lose a deal. I made money off of it. I made 170,000. But he's gonna make $1 million within less than a year. Get me the deals. You're gonna make money, I'm gonna make. I'll pay you. Get me the deals. That's what I do in the Lion Group. You know the Lion Group, right? You heard about it. The Lions Group, we pay 10% from the net profit from people, lions basically, that bringing deals in. They don't have money to start, they don't have money to get in and buy properties. I tell them, listen, I put all the money, I use all my connections, I use all my people, everything. I do the deal and I pay you 10% from my net profit without doing nothing. But the lions that want to learn to take it to the next level, they come with me, they see the people, they see what I do, you know, they see the whole transaction, everything, the whole project. It's a good concept. Nobody else is going to do it. Nobody's going to do, you know, put all the money for you to be successful. That's what I do. I put the money for you to be successful. Long-lasting relationship right here. Look at this guy. Oh, hold on. Because of him, I have a belt.
It's because of you.
Because of him. Because of this guy.
It's a decent belt.
I used to come to him, I was like, what the hell is wrong with you? You spend $700 on this stupid belt? And look at me now. I spend more. I'm looking for deals. Any deal, I'll buy it.
Yeah, he buys.
Anything you have, I'll buy it. I bought from her, but she doesn't give me any more deals. Deals is the name of the game.
Your daughter's good? So good.
Like trucking every day.
That's amazing.
Going.
What about introduction?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's
Gina
exactly
Michelle.
what I did too.
That's right.
Hi.
Gina
I
Michelle,
feel like
Yanni
shit.
Raz.
Yanni Raz, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure. She doesn't mind. Put her.
It's work.
You're gonna bring more audience.
Like all of our events.
My
You need to work
license
hard.
is hung with someone else.
Yeah.
And so at the moment, I mean, I used to do loans back in the day.
Do whatever it takes, but work hard. You know, stay motivated. Stay on top of things. No, seriously.
I know.
כמוך, תותח, איזה מלך אתה. אני זוכר, אתה יודע מה, לפני איזה 16-17 שנה, אני זוכר שאתה באת לנו עם בנטלי פתאום. I'm buying myself a lot of development. אני קונה הרבה. אז I'm thinking, wow, if I can use 7%, are you kidding me? אני גם אעזור לך הרבה.
Of course, yeah.
Okay? I'm living, bro. We'll keep in touch, of course, right?
Yes. Do you know
And
Hagai? You know it?
Yaniv, name mod.
I was saying, I know you, but I don't know from where.
Yeah, I don't think you know my friends. I would know you, but no, I don't think so. Now we've been in an open house. It was kind of like a networking event because now I met a lot of new people and a lot of new agents. A lot of them already knew me from social media but never met me face to face. That's why it's important to meet face to face, because a lot of those people, they wanted. But now that I met them face to face, suddenly people want my business cards, they want my number. There's a guy that already texted me an address of a property he's trying to sell. Now business is going because I met them face to face. This particular guy I'm talking about that sent me the address, he already knew me for the past year. I never ever got a call from him. But when I met him face to face, everything changed. And it changed within 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. You have to meet people face to face. This is the power. But to become a success, to become a story to tell to other people, you gotta do like face-to-face interaction. Everybody do that. That's why I do live events. That's why I go and I meet people. I do workshops. I do everything face-to-face because I want people to interact with me. They're gonna get different things from me. You can buy a video for motivation all day long, but when you go and you actually see the mentor face-to-face and you talk to him and you sit with him in a classroom for a whole day or for 2-3 days, it's completely different. Now you become professional. You're on a different level. That's why it's important to meet people face to face. Networking is crucial for your success. This is the only thing I believe in. The only thing I believe in is networking face to face. Boom. Let's cut it.